Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a sweet smiling tulip. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. Let's start by drawing the middle petal of the tulip. It looks like a water drop. Now draw the left petal. Next, draw the right petal. Then, add 2 petals at the back. Draw a short stem right under the flower. Now draw 2 leaves, one on each side. Finally, let's add a cute little face to make it extra adorable. All done with the sketch. Shall we start coloring now? Use pink, or any color you like, to color the 3 front petals. Use darker pink for the petals at the back. Color the stem with light green. Then use dark green for the 2 leaves. Yay! All done! Your tulip looks so cute. That was easy, right? Try drawing more tulips in different colors. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!